Let's make clear chicken soup today. We will be using this ingredients. Put onion and butter and choose T function and fry until it's golden brown. You have to stir it time to time. Then add chicken and salt and cooked for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 cups of water then boiled for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure you choose the T function every time. After 10 to 15 minutes, add some coriander and serve it hot. Easy peasy clear chicken soup.